If you are looking for a compact microphone capable of stereo recording from your smartphone, here are two strong contenders, the Rode Wireless Micro and the DJI Mic Mini. Here's the TLDW, or Too Long Didn't Watch. While both are similarly priced, the DJI offers more features, with noise cancellation being the most notable. That said, at the end of the day, the purpose of an external mic is for better audio. I personally prefer the voiceover quality sound from the Rode, so that makes it my pick. It is completely subjective, so make sure to try both out. If you want more details, subscribe to my YouTube channel for a future video comparison.